Alright, I'm heading out for a one-nighter. Pretty simple plan today. Hike in, find a decent spot, build a tarp shelter, make a fire, and try to make camp feel somewhat civilized. Cold nights are a lot nicer when camp actually feels good. I'm not even that far in and I'm already warm, which is great now, but not so great later. All right, this looks pretty good. A couple trees from my ridge line. It's partially flat, a lot of cover from the wind. It's not perfect, but it's the best I can find without having to wander around the whole day. So for now, this is gonna be home. Alright, the shelter's up. That's one less thing I have to worry about. So now let's put all of our focus into getting a fire going. I'm gonna clear the snow off the ground first. I'm just making a little reflector wall so that when the fire is burning, some of the heat reflects back to me into the tarp. So hopefully this conserves some more heat. I think that should be enough. I'll tie that together. All right, everything's set up. Got my wood piled here, my reflector wall. I got some birch bark and some kindling. So let's get this fire started. Maybe we can cook up some food. Oh, come on. Nice. So this is where the trip starts paying rent. Shelter's up, fire's going, now I just need food. So tonight I brought something a little nicer than usual. I'm making beef bulgogi. So basically it's thin sliced beef with a sweet soy marinade. And it cooks really fast. When it hits the pan, it smells ridiculous. This is one of those meals that would already be good at home, but out here, it feels kind of unfair. Forgot how hungry the cold air makes you. I could probably eat this pan. Yep, that looks just about done. Let's get ready to plate it. This looks so good. I'm so excited to eat. I'll give you guys a closer look. After building this shelter all day, this is a good reward. All right, it's time to get eating. Oh man, that's the best. This is the best part, when it gets dark and there's nowhere else to be. We got firewood, we got a tarp, we got some food. I spent all day making this camp comfortable, and now it feels earned. Alright, I'm finished my food. It was so good. Tarp is holding up fine. Fire is doing its job. It's keeping me warm. But I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm gonna start setting up my sleeping stuff, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It was a good night. Cold, obviously, but good. I'm just getting breakfast fixed up. Pretty satisfied with the shelter. I got a little worried last night because it got windy a little bit, but it's still standing, which I'm very, very happy about. There's something satisfying about waking up under a tarp in the winter and realizing that everything actually worked, but I'm glad the shelter didn't fall. It got a bit windy over the night, but pretty satisfied. I was warm until I had to get out of my sleeping bag. Wind's starting to pick up again, and it's snowing a lot. I think it's snowing another 15 centimeters today, so I should probably get packing up soon. All right, everything's packed up. Let's load the sled and get out of here. All right, I think I'm all set. It's never really easy once you add snow, cold, and hauling gear, but that's what makes all our moments worth it. You earned them. But anyways, thanks for coming along, and I'll see you on the next one.